The water park at the Great Wolf Lodge in LaGrange, Atlanta, Georgia was amazing. When you walk in, you see you're encompassed with a big open space, a lot of things for the kids to do. Right here where you're checking in, they check you for your height. It's easy to get a band to see what rides you can ride, and they make it easy for kids to know what's safe and what's not safe for them when they check in. So we're getting an overview of the land as we're walking in. On the right hand side is where you get your towels. The towels are tied to a magic band on your wrist. So keep watching and you can see everything we did while we were in here at the water park. This water park is heated as well. So even in the winter months, it is still somewhere you can come for fun with the kids. And it is food in here as well. So pay attention to everything we do and stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching. Four. I just used mine. Appreciate you. Yes, sir. No problem.
DJ, Aubrey, let's get a table. Something we can. Brother shares. This is good though. The pack the school shoes. Get out and think about it. Come on, we gotta take our shoes off first. Hey, Mom. You can see she wants a bottle. Put it in there.
You want to see if he can swim first?
Huh?
You want to see if he can swim first?
Sure, you can take it out.
Let's not wear it yet.
You keep yours on.
This is the wave pool. It is a great experience. When you listen for the howl, that's when you know the waves are coming. It's a pretty cool touch. So they howl because it's the Great Wolf Lodge, and that's when you know the waves are coming. So keep watching.
DJ, show me how to swim. Go ahead. One Phoebe can go over his head. So. Go that way and come back. DJ, you want to do backflip with mommy? You want to do a backflip with mommy? The cabana is not a bad idea, though.
Yeah, those are the more expensive ones. I think they all are $200 ones. Never mind. Yeah. It was four. They wanted 400 for us. It's this time.
That was cute. Yeah, that's fine. Here, let me take them to the splash. Unless you're going to take them.
I'll take it. We all can go.
This part of the video that's coming up is a kid's perspective. You can see it from their view. So if you like first person videos or first person views, keep watching. You can see how the kids really enjoy it from their point of view.
Woo! Mama! Hey! You get... When do I get you? I'm going out the enter. No! Not this, not. Debating. Wow! Wow! Water goes everywhere! Look! Down, down. Lefty, I want to go on something different now. Oh! Give me that. I'm going. Yes.
No running. You have signs around here that says no running.
Can I go on that, please? Thank you. I'm going on that right now. Definitely. Nah. Hey, Daddy, I want to go on that. Oh, I want to go on that too. Huh. That was the other side. Daddy, I'm going on that way over there. That okay. This is gonna be fun. I'm just going to it. The directions say it's gonna be this way. Huh? It says a bit over there. Let's go. I'm gonna do. You too stuck to. Wow. Oof. Huh. I got him here. Hey, Daddy, how did you get here so fast? I'm going to show. Oh, Daddy, watch this go the other way. Okay. I can't find the directions. I'm trying to find that big blue sign.
Over there?
Huh?
Over there?
No, the big blue sign.
Come on, that one right there?
No.
What blue slide are you talking about? There's only two blue slides. That one or that one?
The one that has the window. The one that has the window I saw on TV.
There's no other blue slides in here, Devin. Look around. There's a blue slide. There's a blue slide. There's no other blue slide.
There. I'm going to. How is this one working? Activating. What? Let me just go. On the boat. Oh, wait. Hey, it's not walking. What should I go on next? Huh? Nothing is going to be cool. What? That's it. Daddy, can we go in the wavy river? Daddy, can we go in that? Please, and can we go on that together? Daddy, can me and you go on that? But I need a life vest to stay floating. We could just walk.
The lazy river was nice and relaxing as well.
Hey, Daddy,
It is
I want to
walkable,
just.
or you get in it
Daddy, I
too.
want to just do like that.
It's something for all
Like
ages,
that?
all kids, and all sizes.
Wow.
See now? Yeah, just trying to stand up.
Daddy! No! Whoa! Huh? Want one of those? Yes! Give me one! Oh, help me!
Sit down.
I promise I won't lose it. Whee! I'm glad that over. Now I'm waving in the wind. I'm in the wavy river. Hey, Daddy, do you like it? Do you like the wavy river? It's nice and calm and relaxing. Oh, don't be Daddy too. Yeah. Don't get me in there. Daddy. No. Please don't. Help me.
Get out.
No, not yet. I'm gonna just stay in the windy. In the windy way. Where's Mama? Deep down with tight so that the water. I'm looking for Mommy and Aubrey. Must be like a room. Uncle Jesse. I'm back there. Do it. Let's see. I don't know where it is. I don't know. That's it. It's gonna be somewhere. I'm looking for Aubrey and Mama. I'm looking for Mommy and Aubrey, but I don't see them anywhere. I want them. They must be at the table. Let's go to our table, Daddy. Daddy! Daddy! Let's go to our table. Instead. It's very far. It's gotta be some. Oh!
Don't run. You walk.
Over there?
Over there. You walk.
Okay. Excuse me.
Buddy.
Daddy. I wish I could jump Daddy, but I just can't. The wait. Hey, Aubrey. Hey, Aubrey. Sit up here. The baby. Whoa. Wait. You can't stop me. You're standing bigger. Beat it go. Eat standing bigger. Look at the eye. He's a cookie. I can't even see. You ain't got the way. You keep making me wait. The storm. God. It's not about us. I
Go have fun. Go ahead. How do you like that? Love it. Yeah? Is that the one that comes with the necklace that like sticks on? He's wearing it. He's wearing it right now? Yeah. He's wearing a necklace. He was in there with the Yeah. That's A360, right? Yeah. A360. It is. That thing's awesome. Oh no, you got it, man! Come on, pull it up! Oh!
This section of the water park is mainly made for smaller kids. They have smaller slides as well. So if you do have younger kids, they do have a section dedicated for those kids that are a lot younger. And it's right next to the food as well.
I went to Great Wolf Lodge for my birthday. So we're leaving today, and I had fun bowling. I had fun in putt-putt, and I had fun playing games at the arcade, and I had fun when I got to water park. Since it was my birthday, me and Mommy went to try out putt-putt when we just got here. White flower chair.
All right, so this was actually a surprise trip for Devin. He did not know where we were going. He just knew that we were going on a road trip, and we actually heard him one day, as excited as he was, watching one of the Great Wolf Lodge's commercials during his shows, and he said, "Mommy, I want to go there." So he paused the TV and he pulled us both in his where he was watching TV, and he said, "Look, I want to go there." So we booked. We added the birthday package, and the service here has been really great. The food has been good. We ate at the restaurant Bournewood. We also had breakfast at the breakfast buffet. We hear that Dunkin' Donuts is very popular as well. The service has been great. Everyone's been really nice, and the games are pretty affordable. I say if you don't have a pass, the games are about $7 a child. Between putt-putt, the arcade, you'll probably spend a lot more in the arcade, and bowling as well. So there are a few games we want to play when we come back another time when Devin's bigger. So we're really excited, and hopefully...
I'm already excited to play this game as well on top of putt-putt. Go ahead.
Okay. And the next time we're going to play a game in which he uses the bungee cord to go on different obstacles. He has to be a little bit taller. So next time we come, if he's taller and he can actually go through that obstacle course, I'll go through with him in rock climbing. So if you're looking for a really great family, fun, friendly, exciting time, just spend indoors for 2 days, this is the place for you. Like, follow, and share.